Today I'm going to be making khachapuri, the national dish of Georgia. Often called Georgia's cousin to pizza, khachapuri is a Georgian cheese bread that most likely dates back to the 12th century when Georgia went through the Renaissance period. Though it is very similar to pizza, there is one ingredient that separates them, which is tomatoes. Tomatoes didn't arrive in Europe until the 16th century when Spanish conquistadors brought seeds back from Mexico and other parts of Mesoamerica. So khachapuri was only made from bread, cheese, and herbs. Some believe pizza was actually an adaptation of khachapuri, since pizza didn't originate into the 18th to early 19th century in Italy. Georgia was one of the countries on the Silk Road, which resulted in many travelers influencing Georgian cuisine. The word khacha in Georgian means curdled cheese, but puri comes from an Indian word meaning bread. The boat form that it's shaped into represents the geography and culture of the region that's bordering the Black Sea. The bread is shaped like a ship, the egg represents the sun, and the cheese, the Black Sea. Khachapuri has grown in popularity all over the world. In 2014, 175,000 were sold in the Olympic Games in Sochi, Russia, which has many traditions and foods in common with Georgia. New York also has many restaurants that sell the dish, mostly because of the large population of Georgian Americans that reside there. Though this dish heavily represents Georgian geography and culture, that hasn't stopped people from all over the world from adopting it into their own lives.